Hey Ninja Crispi Pro fans! Now that you're more familiar with your Crispi Pro cooking system, let's get cooking. Today, we'll be using the medium batch 2.5 quart CleanCrisp to bake fluffy garlic butter dinner rolls. Start by placing the crisper plate in the container. Gently press the crisper plate into the bottom of the container until it feels secure. There should be a ½ inch gap from the bottom of the container. Then, lightly flour a clean work surface and divide your dough into 9 equal pieces. Gently shape dough into balls. Next, lightly spray the 2.5 quart container with nonstick cooking spray and transfer the dough balls to the container. Cooking spray may reduce visibility. Be sure to leave space between each ball. Cover the container with a lid, store it in a warm place, and allow to proof for 1 hour or until dough has doubled in size. Once the dough has proofed, remove the lid from the container. Place the modular base into the top position and insert the container into the station. Remember, the built-in light won't turn on unless the CleanCrisp is properly inserted. Use the dial to select Bake. Set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the time to 20 minutes. While your dinner rolls are baking, we'll prepare our garlic butter topping in a small bowl. Combine minced garlic with ½ stick of butter and microwave until melted, about 30 to 45 seconds, then set aside. When there is only 3 minutes remaining on the timer, use oven mitts and pull the container out of the station. This will automatically pause the cooking. Then, brush the rolls with the garlic butter we prepared earlier. Insert the container back into the station and press the dial to finish cooking. Once the cooking is complete, with oven mitts, remove the container from the station. Garnish the rolls with flaky sea salt, as desired, and allow the rolls to cool for 5 minutes before serving. Now you're ready to serve and enjoy. And if you're on the move, just snap the lid on and take your fresh garlic dinner rolls to go. For more delicious, chef-curated recipes and helpful tips and tricks, make sure to check out the included inspiration guide or head over to ninjakitchen.com. Happy cooking!